Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out that someone made over $5 million last year selling digital planners without printing a single page. Or that another creator raked in $25,000 in just 10 months selling templates they whipped up in a weekend. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's happening. And today, I'm showing you the 7 easiest digital products you can create and sell using AI in 2025. No design experience required. In the next 7 minutes, you'll discover how anyone, including everyday people, are making life-changing income while you sleep. What if you could start making money from digital products in the next 30 days? Stick with me to find out how. Hey everyone, welcome to WealthWise Path. The digital product landscape has exploded, and there's never been a better time to dive in. The e-learning market alone is projected to reach nearly $342 billion this year, with digital templates and downloadable tools creating millionaires from bedroom entrepreneurs. But here's what's changed everything. AI tools have democratized the creation process. You no longer need design skills, coding knowledge, or years of expertise to create products people will pay for. The barrier to entry has completely collapsed. Let me show you the 7 easiest digital products you can start selling today, complete with real success stories from people just like you. First up, lead magnet templates. These are customizable resources that help social media creators grow their audience and build email lists. Meet Sarah, a former school teacher who started creating lead magnet templates in Canva during her evenings. I had no design background, she says, but I understood what content creators needed to grow their followings. Using AI tools to generate ideas and layouts, Sarah experimented with different formats until she found her winning formula. Within 10 months, she had earned $25,000 selling these templates on Etsy, priced between $19 and $79. Her secret? She used AI to help identify trending topics and design styles, then created templates that solved specific problems for niche audiences. The beauty of lead magnet templates is that once created, they sell themselves. Sarah now earns passive income while focusing on creating new products only when inspiration strikes. Next, custom and pre-made map prints. This might surprise you, but personalized maps celebrating anniversaries, birthdays, or special locations are selling like crazy. Jason discovered this niche by accident when creating a wedding gift for his sister. I designed a constellation map showing the night sky exactly as it appeared when and where they met, he explains. After posting it online, orders started flooding in. Using AI tools to automate the design process, Jason built a print-on-demand business that generated over $136,000 in just 18 months. His products range from $17 for digital downloads to $200 for premium physical prints. The brilliant part of his strategy? He started with custom orders to build momentum, then gradually shifted to pre-made templates that required zero additional work to fulfill. AI handles 90% of the design process now, he says. I just add the final touches. Third, AI-generated digital art. This market has exploded with tools like Midjourney and Dolly. Consider Michael's story. With no artistic background, he began experimenting with AI art generators, developing a distinct style of surrealist landscapes. I spent weeks learning how to craft the perfect prompts, he says. After uploading his first collection to Etsy, he was shocked when orders started coming in. Within 2 years, Michael had generated over $500,000 in profits, selling his pieces for $3 to $5 each. The key isn't just creating good art, he emphasizes. It's about consistency and volume. I've uploaded over 300 unique pieces. While anyone can create AI art, success comes from developing a signature style that stands out in an increasingly crowded marketplace. Fourth, AI prompt packs. As AI tools become mainstream, people are willing to pay for prompts that help them get the most out of platforms like ChatGPT. Lisa, a former copywriter, noticed people struggling to write effective prompts for their businesses. She compiled specialized prompt packs for website building, SEO, and content creation. I'm essentially selling shortcuts, she explains. People want results without spending months learning prompt engineering. Her packs sell for $50 each on Gumroad, and she's sold over 6,000 copies. The beauty is that AI helps me create and refine the prompts themselves, she says. It's like using AI to teach others how to use AI better. With AI adoption accelerating, demand for well-crafted prompts continues to grow, making this a perfect entry point for beginners. Fifth, custom fonts. While this market is competitive, it remains surprisingly profitable for those who create unique, high-quality designs. David, a former barista with no design experience, used AI tools like Midjourney to help generate character ideas, then refined them using Font Forge. I focused on creating fonts with personality that brand owners would love, he says. Selling his creations on Creative Market for $15 to $30 each, David now earns enough from font sales to support his family. What surprised me was how timeless this product is. Fonts I created 3 years ago still sell regularly. The key to his success? Creating fonts that solve specific branding problems for business owners and designers. Sixth, digital life planners. Perhaps the most impressive success story comes from this category. Emma, a mother of 3, created her first digital planner after struggling to find one that met her needs. Using Canva and AI tools to generate templates and layouts, she listed her creation on Etsy. "I thought I might make a few $100s," she recalls. Instead, Emma built an empire that generated over $5 million in less than 6 years. Her planners, priced between $15 and $30, cover everything from goal setting to productivity and life organization. What makes digital planners so profitable is their simplicity, Emma explains. They're easy to create, instantly deliverable, and solve real problems for people trying to organize their lives. With virtual planning becoming increasingly popular, this market continues to expand year after year. Finally, mini courses. Unlike extensive online programs, mini courses focus on teaching specific skills in a condensed format. Take Alex's story. After growing his Twitter following, he created a mini course sharing his strategy. "I recorded it in a weekend using my iPhone and basic editing software," he says. "AI helped me outline the content and create the supporting materials." That simple course has now generated over $1.5 million, priced at $297. People don't want information overload, Alex explains. They want focused solutions to specific problems. What's remarkable is that platforms like Gumroad can help you reach audiences even if you're starting from zero. "I had fewer than 1,000 followers when I launched," Alex admits. "The platform brought me buyers I never would have reached otherwise." The $311.7 billion digital product market is growing at 18.2% annually, and AI has leveled the playing field. You don't need technical skills, a huge audience, or a big budget. Just the right strategy and the willingness to take action. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to Wealthwise Path, and make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Drop a comment letting me know which of these 7 products you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.